Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these two containers or base for the Vitamix blender. Both of them are for the Vitamix 5 to 5200 and I really love them. What's the difference between these? Besides the color of the lids, besides the sizes, and besides the handle, well, this one is more for liquid stuff and this one is for dry stuff because you will need more space for the wet stuff, and the blades are a little bit different as well. This one is a lot sharper than this one. Okay, so which one you should get? If you use your Vitamix to do a lot of butters like peanut butter, almond butter, and stuff like that, or if you use it to make flours, I will strongly recommend this one. It's really nice. I use it to make cookie flour, so I can make the crust of my cheesecakes. And also, but if this one is more like a multi-use blender, you can use this one as well for making flour, but because it's a larger container, it is much more difficult to scrape all the flour that it will stick underneath the blade. So I will actually get this one if you don't make a lot of flour or if you don't blend a lot of nuts. So which one is best? It depends on how you use them, but I really like both.